Good morning, friends. Welcome to online classes. This is Kiran Sir's voice, and we are continuing the lesson The World Renewed Note. And in last videos, we discussed till taken away. See the again? The president reacted angrily. One morning, the army and their tanks surrounded the house of the poor long-nosed one. He was arrested and taken away. Till here we discuss in a last period. Actually, what is the reason he was arrested and taken away? What is the reason for he was arrested? When we discussing the previous session or in the lesson, that time show that so many people against the long nose one. One of his secretary also giving the abuse about the long nose one. So that's why so many people against the government and the political party and his ministers. So that's why the government have to do the arrested of this long nose one, because people's like that the nose was made up with a rubber. So that's why governments want to examine this nose. So that is the reason he was arrested and taken away. Okay student, got it the reason? Now see the next. There was no news of the long nose one for some time. The people forgot about his existence. So actually what happened here, when we were discussing about the any well-known person, if there is he is a famous for something, log is memorized, but when he arrested and people forgot the everything. If you want to give example of the, see here name of the Asaram Bapu also in existence, so many people feel God to the Asaram Bapu, and after that when he arrested, people forgot the all so many things regarding the Bapu. So that's why this like that in this story also the long nose one arrested, and when he arrested the people forgot about his existence, जैसे कि वो था ही नहीं, इस तरह से लोग भूल जाते हैं. Then came fresh news with the impact of the nuclear bomb. एक न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब की तरफ एक फ्लैश न्यूज़ वहाँ पर आ गई. Do you know what happened? Just when the people had forgotten everything, came a brief announcement from the president. So people forgot the long nose one, and after that there is a flash news, came the flash news like a nuclear bomb, and actually the president give the announcement. The trial of the chief of the long nose one will take place on March 9th. What mean by the trial of the chief of the long nose one will take place on the March 9th. Expert doctors who came and representative of 48 countries will examine him. So this is the large number of the countries. There are a doctor came from the abroad. There are a 48 countries, from the 48 countries, and there are a expert doctor came to know that this nose made up of rubber or this is the original. So that's why the president give the announcement कि एक लॉन्ग नोज वाले को चेक करने के लिए 9 मार्च को वो चेक हो जाएगा, और वो चेक करने के लिए 48 कंट्रीज से एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर्स की एक टीम बुलाई गई. फॉर व्हाट? ओनली एग्जामाइन लॉन्ग नोज वन नोज. उस लंबे नाक वाले इंसान की नोज को चेक करने के लिए, एग्जामाइन करने के लिए 48 कंट्रीज से एक एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टरों की टीम बुलाई गई. दिस इज द अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दैट पार्टी. All the newspaper of the world will be represented. The proceeding will be filmed. People must keep calm. So actually when you discussing about the last paragraph, in that last paragraph people become angrily and they destroy the government property, but this time people watch in a keep manner, because all the newspaper of the world will be represented, दुनिया के सारे न्यूज़पेपर में ये सारा रिप्रेजेंट हो गया है, बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर की टीम 48 कंट्रीज से आई है, वो लॉन्ग नोज 1 का नोज चेक करने जा रही थी. दिस प्रोसीडिंग विल बी फिल्म्ड. ये जो सारी प्रोसीजर है इसको फिल्म बनाया गया है, इसका एक फिल्म बनाया गया है. पीपल मस्ट कीप काम. एंड एक्चुअली यहाँ पर लोगों का एक ही काम था कि चुपचाप होकर वो देखते जाना. पीपल आर पीपल, लोग तो लोग होते हैं. दे कुड नॉट कीप काम, वो शांति से नहीं बैठे. दे केम इन अ लार्ज नंबर इन टू द मेट्रोपोलिस. मेट्रोपोलिस इन अ लार्ज एरिया, दिस इज कॉल्ड आल्सो सिटी. एक लार्ज सिटी से लोग वहाँ पर बड़े तादाद में वहाँ पर आए. दे invaded the hotels, they burned public convenience. बड़ी तादाद में लोग आए, होटल्स पर उन्होंने अटैक किया, हल्ला किया. दे बर्न पब्लिक कन्वीनियंस, जो गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी थी उसको वो जलाने लगे. दे सेट फायर टू पुलिस स्टेशन. पुलिस स्टेशन को भी उन्होंने आग लगाई. दे डिस्ट्रॉय गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ द love on the long nose 1. So this is the one reason for that the people love to the long nose 1, and government will examine his nose. So that's why people become angry. So that's why in a first line people are people, लोग तो लोग होते हैं. they came from the metropolis, बड़े बड़े सिटी से लोग आए और सब कुछ जलाने लग गए. okay, so that's why this is the story of this two passages. So students, today we stop here, and the next paragraph we will see in a next video. Okay, thank you.